Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge step by step. Read Aloud is a useful feature that converts web page text into speech, making it easier to listen to articles, documents, and online content. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Next, open the web page or document that you want to listen to. Once the page loads, click the Settings and More button in the top right corner. This is the button with 3 dots. From the menu, select Read Aloud. Microsoft Edge will begin reading the web page content out loud. A control bar will appear at the top of the page. You can use the play and pause buttons to control the reading. Use the previous and next buttons to move between sections of the page. To change the reading speed, click the Voice Options button. Adjust the speed slider to make the voice faster or slower. You can also choose a different voice from the available options. If you want to start Read Aloud from a specific section, highlight the text you want to hear, then right-click and select Read Aloud Selection. When you're finished, click the X button on the Read Aloud toolbar to stop the feature. Read Aloud is especially helpful for improving accessibility, multitasking, and reviewing written content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Read Aloud in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Edge tips, browser tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.